This is one of those drinks that just makes me feel good. Let me show you how to make it. Beets, beetroot, apples. These are Gala apples. Lemons and ginger. Cause if you do wrong, they complain. Even if you call the Father's name, it's the same. What they want us to do. What? You laughing at me? What's so funny about that though? It's just a song that's in my head. I'm singing out loud, you know. This drink supports circulation, helps with natural energy, good for stamina and endurance, good for stamina and endurance. So make this for your guy, ladies. Or guys, make this for yourself. And also rich in iron supporting nutrients. I'm gonna make you some of this juice. Wow. I love how this makes me feel. And the color is very beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you ever tried beetroot juice before. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.